Hey, so I'm gonna play some Cat Mario. I began recording this video like 2 nights ago. I was gonna upload it, but the audio was crap and you couldn't hear my voice at all. And I'm hoping you can hear the voice in this video, you know. So I have beaten this level already, so if I fly through it, you know, whatever. Like I said, I've already beaten this, so I'm just gonna see if I can fly through it real fast. Because I had beaten this one, and I was working on the next one, the next level, and I don't remember if I beat that one or not. I might have. But yeah, right now, basically, I just flew through this one. Alright, yeah. So I just flew through that part, got the flag, checkpoint, and now I'm gonna crush this guy and see if I can get this. Go, 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 go. Yeah. Alright. So we're gonna go to the third one real fast, since I flew through the second one. I don't remember if I beat this one or not. Should I get... oh god. And I don't remember this, so let's play. I think I watched Tobuscus play this. And I died. I'll put his channel in the description, and you guys should go check out The Merchant. His name is The Merchant. He has like 3 channels. He's my friend Jimmy. He's doing a comedy skit right now, trying to win thousands of dollars. I don't remember how much it was. So I'm gonna help him with that, and hopefully don't kill myself, because he's using swords and sharp stuff will hurt me. So yeah, wish me luck. Hope I don't die. I'll put his account stuff in the I'll put his link in the description also. Yeah. Alright, let's try this again. Don't do it! No! Alright. Now I have to remember not to jump on the boat. Bounce 2 and 1. Yeah. Jumped over you. Jumped over you. Jumped over you. Jumped. I need to go back over there. Or not. Great. They're great. Frosted Flakes. Oh! I got so lucky just now. Holy crap. Okay. Gives me Mushroom Man. I think we'll just jump over here and grab this flag real fast. Oh god. Does this just jump me up? Oh god. What did I just do? Oh, I just jumped on. That was. Boop, boop. Or die. I'm not doing horrible. I'm getting a little better at this game, I would say. I don't know about you guys. Or whoever's watching this, I don't know. Oh, just walk. Laser attack. That was sounding kind of fruity. Oh, good. I have to get myself. I'm gonna jump on that flying dude. I wanna see what happens. You know, just cause I can. Oh god. Oh! I think I just got lucky. One of my stuff to do. Let's try this again. I'm not quitting until I beat this. Negative 12. Okay. Ah! Okay. If I just jump over here. Oh, I did it! Yeah! What happens now? Does anything happen? Don't trick me, please. Oh, yes. Fourth episode. You are gonna kill me, aren't you? That was very close. On, off, no, off, okay. Oh god. Oh, I lived! Oh! I died. That was pretty good. That was a pretty good run. Oh, holy crap, that's nice. Let me turn that on again and see what happens. I died that time. Yay me! God, those things are fat. Breaking bricks. What would you do if you knew someone that was fat enough to break bricks? I would congratulate them. I don't know about you guys. You know, if anyone watches this, you should comment and tell me what would you do if you knew a person that was fat enough to break bricks. Oh. I don't know. Be a nice conversation between us. You know, me and you. Take you out to dinner. I don't need you. Oh god. I'm dead. Yep. I'm dead. Excuse you. That wasn't pretty. I didn't even touch it! What the crap? This game is so unfair. Okay, let's do this. I'm about to beast. As you hipsters say. Sorry. Frustration. This game wasn't very frustrating in the beginning, but then now it's just even like 10 times worse than it was before. God dang it, I'm gonna kill myself. Whatever. Wait, so those are really long. Those two that I just passed. Maybe if I turn this one on, jump down here. Maybe if I can run through real fast, turn it on, and jump over it, it'll do something. Oh, I was so close. Let's try it again. Maybe it'll do something. Or die. Whichever, that's good. My armpit itches. Yeah, dodge. I'm a Ford fan myself. That was a car joke. Oh god, I killed myself. Yep. It's like beautiful today. God, this music is so annoying. It's like out of tune. I always hit that. Oh my god. I'm gonna... No, I'm not. Never mind. Forget I said anything, people. Every other time it's okay to touch it, but that time no. Man, I don't want a Pop-Tart. I might go get one in a minute. I don't really know. What is this? Cat Mario probably wants to kill himself. I'm hearing this out-of-tune music. Holy crap. Okay, I went over it! I swear I went over it. Okay, it's right above the edge. Okay, I'm gonna hit it, I'm gonna jump on top of it, and I'm gonna jump over. That's the plan. You ready, guys? Let's do this. Let's do this. Okay, hit it. Alright. Oh, lord. Okay. Here we go. Negative 33. Yay, man. This is so fun. Okay, here we go. No! 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 Well, how am I supposed to do this? What is this? Do I have to? Okay, I think I might have been right about the switch. Okay, let's do this. Oh god, I forgot about that part. I didn't know where I was for a second. I was like, Get off. Touch. Get out of the way. Oh, I did it. Yay, I was right. I made it shorter. So now I can just slip right through here. Oh, I got the check. Oh, I'm not touching that. Or maybe I'll just touch that. That's better, yeah. Okay, let's try again. Cool, I made it. Oh god. Oh, okay, maybe I can get back through there. Probably not. I can. Oh, that was close. What does that do? What does that do? Oh god, I don't want either of those. Go, 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 go! Yes! What did I just do? Is that good? Did I do it? What is this? Is there anything gonna trick me? This one good? Yeah! Alright. Cool. Okay, so, I'm gonna stop there, because I just went through 3 episodes, or, 3 levels. I'll do the next 2 in the next episode, and then we'll be done with Cat Mario for now. So, thanks for watching, and I will leave my friend's link. His name's Jimmy. He goes by the Merchant. His link in the description, and you guys should go check his channel. Wow, it came out so wrong. You should go check his channel out, and then subscribe to him, subscribe to me, like the video. That'd be nice. Thanks, guys.